Every time you go to create a graphic for your business, are you starting from scratch? Are you opening up a blank sheet, starting just completely from scratch, trying to create a new design, whether it's for a Pinterest image, a graphic for social media, some special promotion? Are you starting right from scratch every time you need to create a graphic? Well, in today's video, I want to talk to you about why you shouldn't be doing that and what you can do to do things better. Today, we're going to talk all about templates and how they can save you time and make you more consistent in your branding. I don't want you wasting so much time creating designs for your business, not because you shouldn't have beautiful, well-designed graphics, but because there are all these ways you can save time, and it's actually beneficial for your brand because you're going to be more consistent by doing this. You don't want to be mucking around, playing with different fonts and styles, trying different layouts every single time. Every now and then you want to be injecting some new designs and new layouts, but you don't want that to be happening every single time you need to create a graphic. You want to streamline things. You want to be able to have times where you want to get a graphic up really fast and all you want to do is just open a file, quickly put in text, put in a new photo, and you're done. So templates. This is where you create a document where all the layers and all the parts are editable, and you save it in a special folder where you can easily access it and pull it up, edit it, create something new, and then save it as a new image. Having templates that you design yourself is really going to be special too, because you've created something that's unique to your brand, but it's keeping you consistent because you're keeping in a similar style that starts to become very recognizable, and it makes life easier for you as well. So what kind of templates do you actually need for your brand? The best thing to do to work out what you need is to actually go through and think about what you're using regularly. So the kinds of things that you're constantly doing all the time. So for example, are you constantly putting out blog posts? Do you need templates for the graphics that's going to go in your blog post, something that's pinnable as well? Do you have a podcast or a YouTube channel? Or are you constantly posting quotes or some kind of graphics or promotions on Instagram or Facebook? Really think about what it is you're doing and things that you're particularly doing over and over again, because they're the areas where you want to be creating templates. And be sure to think beyond content and social media too. Think about what you're producing and putting out there in other forms as well. Like, are you doing webinars, or are you constantly creating special pages on your website to promote products? Really think through all the different elements of your business and all the times that you're needing to create graphics, and what times are you constantly needing to create similar graphics. Then the next step is to find out what the standard sizes are for those particular graphics. Then you can create a document that is the particular size, and you can start creating some design. So when it comes to creating these templates, you need to be creative and keep it diverse. Also keep it on brand. So make sure you're keeping that consistency. For all your templates, you've got to be using your brand fonts, your brand colors, your logo, keeping those consistent elements across the board. And then for each thing that you're using, for example, blog posts, you're going to want to create maybe 3 to 5 different templates so that there is a bit of variety there, but at the same time you're keeping consistent. And also think about the different kinds of text and images you're going to be needing to put in there. Maybe you need layouts that suit numbers better, or suit vertical images or horizontal images better. Think about the kind of content you're going to be wanting to put in there and create a variety of templates that will suit the different things you're going to want to use, so that whenever you need a template, you can easily find one that's going to suit what you want to be able to put into it. And then if the templates start to get too repetitive and boring, you're feeling like things are starting to look a bit too overdone, then you can freshen up your templates. But then you're only doing that every now and then, maybe every few months, rather than every single time you need to create a graphic. And it sure makes things easy when you need to create a graphic in a hurry. You know those times where you last minute have got to put something out there and you haven't got time to muck about, and if you just had a template there, you could just quickly throw it together. It would make life so much easier. If you're having to start from scratch, then it's just going to make things really hard and stressful. And finally, don't forget to keep it organized. Make your workflow nice and smooth so it's easy to find your file, so that the layers are nicely organized. Maybe even name your layers so it's easy to know this is the layer where the image is, this is the layer for the text, so that you're making the whole workflow even more speedy and easy for yourself. Split it up into folders. Don't just have a grand big templates folder. Have folders for all the different uses, like having an Instagram folder and a blog post folder. Keep it split up so it's easy to find what you need. It's really about saving yourself time and making things really streamlined and easy. And then also, if you need someone else to help you out, you can easily just give them those templates and they can throw together some graphics for you really quickly. And then it's going to keep you consistent and on brand, no matter who actually makes that graphic for you. So I hope this inspires you to start putting together some templates for your business, and it will keep you organized, speed up your process, and make things so much easier so you can have a consistent and beautiful brand. And don't forget, if you want to learn more tips with graphic design, branding, and creativity, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.